How to download chat history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can download your Messenger's chat history. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. Now to download your Messenger's chat history, you don't actually head over to Messenger first. You'll need to head over to your Facebook because that's where we are going to download our information from. So tap on your Facebook and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to your menu that should be on the top right or on the bottom right. Tap on this icon there, and after you do that, simply you'll find your gear icon right below that. Tap on that and you should head over to your settings and privacy. After you're here, you'll find your Meta's account center. Tap on that and you should be on your Meta's account center. Now head over to the account settings section where you'll find your information and permissions. Tap on that. After you do that, select export your information. After you tap on export your information, you will be redirected to this section. Tap on create export. After you tap on that, select your account. Then tap on export to device, or if you want to export it to somewhere else, select export to external service. Then after you're here, you can select what you want to export. So from customize information option, tap on that. And from here, you can unselect everything. So let me clear all from here. Then simply tap on messages. After that, if you want anything else, you can select that as well. And after you do that, tap on save. After you tap on save, if you want, you can also select the date range. Tap on date range. And you can choose your dates. Then finally tap on start export. Then your export should begin. Enter out your password and your export will begin. After you do that, if you head over to your export your information section, back again here, this was the section right here. If you tap on past activities, you'll find your you'll find your export ready at here to download. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That's how you download your Messenger chat history. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.